Musa bananarama. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most attractive and unique indoor plants, the ornamental banana plant. With its large, beautiful leaves and tropical tree-like appearance, this plant adds a distinctive ambience to any home. If you're looking for something unique and striking, this plant is a fantastic choice. Introduction to ornamental banana plant. The ornamental banana, a type of banana from the Musa genus and the Musaceae family, is often sold under the name ornamental banana in plant nurseries and garden centers, although this is more of a fancy label. This plant originates from tropical regions of South Asia to Southeast Asia and Northern Australia. Known for its striking appearance, the banana plant is often kept in homes and greenhouses, featuring long leaves that can reach up to a meter in length. Propagation of this plant is done by both seeds and suckers, with sucker propagation being the more common and easier method. The ornamental banana plant has long, successive leaves that can reach a meter in length. While it takes up a good amount of space, it can actually make small rooms appear larger. It thrives best in warm, humid greenhouse conditions, where it can grow quickly and reach a height of about 1 meter within a year. As the plant grows suckers, which are the main means of propagation, the mother plant will dry up and die. When grown in a patio, it can even produce fruit. This beautiful plant belongs to the Musaceae family. The ornamental banana plant belongs to the banana family, but unlike regular bananas, it is mainly decorative, and its fruit is not edible. This plant is native to tropical regions and requires specific conditions to thrive well. Planting and care guide for ornamental banana plant. Lighting. Place the ornamental banana plant in the best light conditions possible, ideally in direct sunlight. This plant requires plenty of light, so try to position it in a spot with maximum exposure to natural light in your greenhouse or home. Temperature. The minimum temperature for this plant in winter is 15 degrees EC 59 degrees. The ideal summer temperature for humans is also suitable for this plant. If temperatures get too high, ensure there is a gentle airflow in the room to keep the plant comfortable. Watering. In summer, water the plant 2 to 3 times per week while it is actively growing. In winter, watering once a week is sufficient. Avoid leaving water droplets on the leaves, as direct sunlight on the wet spots can create burn marks. Regular, scheduled watering is key for this plant in the warmer months. It needs 2 to 3 weekly waterings, which can be reduced to once a week in winter. Humidity. Misting is recommended daily in summer and once a week in winter. Adding water to a pebble tray under the pot can help maintain consistent humidity. Warm, humid environments, such as a patio, are ideal for this plant as it thrives in such conditions. This plant is almost perennial because, as the mother plant dies, new suckers take its place. Soil. A rich, loamy soil mixed with some organic compost is ideal for growth. A soil blend with garden soil, peat moss or coco peat, and some vermicompost creates a suitable medium for this plant. Fertilizing. The ornamental banana plant requires fertilizing approximately every 3 weeks for healthy growth. Apply a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer for ornamental plants every 2 weeks, following the instructions for artificial feeding. Propagation. Propagation is done by separating suckers from the base of the mother plant and planting them in pots at a temperature of 24-30 deg C 75-86 def. You can also grow it from seeds at 21 deg C 70 def in spring. The plant is easily propagated through suckers, which can be separated in spring and planted in new pots. Repotting. Repotting the ornamental banana plant is necessary every spring, moving to a pot one size larger. If the pot is too heavy and can't be replaced, simply replace the top layer of soil with fresh, nutrient-rich soil. Due to the rapid growth of the plant's roots, it may need repotting annually. The best time to repot is late winter. Make sure the pot has drainage holes at the bottom to allow excess water to escape. Pruning. Remove any dry leaves by cutting them close to the stem with a sharp tool. After cutting, disinfect the cut with sulfur powder and apply a small amount of petroleum jelly to protect the wound. Cleaning the leaves of the ornamental banana plant. Hold the underside of the leaf with your left hand and gently clean the surface with a damp sponge or cloth using your right hand. Regular misting can help keep the leaves clean, but if needed, carefully wipe them with a soft cloth or sponge. Avoid using chemical leaf shining products. Nutrient deficiencies in the ornamental banana plant. Nitrogen deficiency symptoms. Early signs include a pinkish tint under the main veins and petioles, significantly stunted growth, yellowing of older leaves, and pale green in younger leaves. Zinc deficiency symptoms. Symptoms include clustered leaves, stunted growth, deformed leaves with a narrow shape, and a higher length to width ratio in leaves. Yellowing and narrowing of leaves are common. Phosphorus deficiency symptoms. Phosphorus deficiency severely limits growth and causes necrosis in lower leaves. Older leaves develop a dark green to bluish hue, and severe deficiencies can stunt plant growth, cause leaf burn along the edges, and eventually lead to plant death. Phosphorus enhances root development and can promote earlier fruiting. Iron deficiency symptoms. Lack of iron causes malformed leaves, early leaf death, and produces short, misshapen fruit. Potassium deficiency symptoms. Potassium deficiency leads to small brown to purplish-brown spots along the edges and upper petioles. Older leaves show yellowing veins, curl downward, and develop a drooping appearance as growth slows. Copper deficiency symptoms. Copper deficiency often shows as wilting with shortened internodes along the petioles. Leaves droop and take on an umbrella-like shape, indicating the need for nutrient adjustments. Thank you for staying with us until the end of this video. If you have any tips on caring for the ornamental banana plant or a unique experience with this plant, please share it with us in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on plant care.